Alright, Ashton's been busy today building himself a new race car so he can go to the racetrack. Ashton, why don't you tell me all about your car?
How about this engine?
What is all that you got up front there?
Engine.
That's your engine? Okay, has it got different parts to the engine?
Huh?
Do you have different parts to your engine?
Yeah,
No, just one engine? Has it got some, you said it had some cooling fans? Oh, yep, you got to put your exhaust on. Alright, get your exhaust pipe ready.
I'm going to put the exhaust in front.
The exhaust is going to go up front.
Yeah, I want exhaust.
No exhaust? What are you putting on now?
Blow fire out of it.
Blows fire out of it?
I'm going to tell everybody about my car, okay?
Okay, go ahead. Tell us about your car.
So, we got some engine and another engine right here.
Two engines,
And
wow.
we got a fan. And we got three. We got 1, 2, 3 fans. And we have some seats here, but they're a little bit rusty. And people can see on the bottom of the car.
Hmm?
People can see on the bottom of the car.
The model?
No.
Oh, the bottom?
The wheels.
Yep, I see the wheels.
Everybody
Yep.
on the camera can
Yeah.
see the wheels.
Yeah.
And we got these wheels right here too. There's no cap right here. And there's a cap right here so it doesn't get the air out. And nobody can see right here.
No, can't see on that. Same wheels on the other side, huh?
And we also got the clutch. This is clutch. Let's see. You know the clutch and the vroom vroom and pull it back and forth?
Oh, for the shifter?
Yeah. I need to get that.
Okay. Cool. Can you show us how your car drives? Huh?
So this is what is off-roaded, and it goes downhill. And when I push it down, and I have no pedals on mine, so I have the strip out of the car while it's running, and then I have to slow it down. Then this is the fan. And I got a fan right here that spins around. And we also I painted it. I painted the wagon right here. Yeah, it's all smooth and shiny. And the look, it's right here. And they'll have this. And these are this is for a trailer to get on. And it's for a trailer, and we put these down. And then we can also carry cars with it. And we just have to get a trailer on it, like that trailer. And then we put the trailer on these. We put the trailer on these. And these can also You can also put. You can also do this. And you can also. This is the thing, so we go up and down to see all the cool things.
Well, that's a pretty cool car you built.
All the doors out.
Uh-huh.
Then why did that? And if we can also put them back in. I got a helmet right here with if I get some bugs in my face. And we put the helmet right here where the engine is. Like this. No. So we put the helmet right here with the I don't.
All right, well, that's a really cool car you got there.
That was not done.
You're not done? Well, we got to move on. We got some other things we got to do today.
And we got this. And look, I can. It doesn't really run because I have to fix it, the engine, see how it works. And it also moves backwards. It also moves back. This is the driver's seat, and I have to put a wait a minute, guys. Wow, why do you keep messing up it? Yeah. Okay, and then where's my seat there? Okay. So this is the clutch, and we pull it back. If it goes back, if we just have to pull this up, then it will go back. And I didn't pull it up really. And then it has a generator that goes up and down. And then this is the clutch. Goes like up, down, up, down.
Cool.
And it goes like, it can go by itself. It can't go by itself because these ramps are so we don't fall down.
Uh-huh.
And this one is so fall down too. And I have another one. I can carry a trailer right here.
Okay. All right, well, we got to go. So tell everybody, see you next time.
See you next Monday.
See you next Monday. Say like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like this video and you watch us again. You will tap on that screen.